Hey guys, what's happening? How to set nickname in Instagram chat. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram. And then what you're going to do, you're going to click your DMs or your messages at the top right. Okay? Go ahead and click that chat. So for example, this chat, right? Go ahead and click the name at the top. And you're going to be able to see theme and nicknames. Go ahead and click nicknames, right? And you can create nicknames for you and your friends. Every chat can have different nicknames. Anyone in the chat can see nicknames. People you follow or give permission can edit your nickname. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna edit the nickname for that person, right? And then I'm gonna say, let's say for example, Mo, and then hit done. Now, as you can see right here, I edited their nickname to be Mo. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.